Let's take a look at what happened today with Tesla, the stock indices, gold, silver, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Tesla closed at 435.54, down $3.15, 0.72% down. Post-market, we seem to be up, but just by a little bit. So this is where we are. We have two bullish channel. We have this bigger bullish channel right here, and we were on this resistance side. And what's the expected behavior when we are close to the resistance side of a bullish channel? We tend to go on the other side, and once we are on the support side, we tend to go on the resistance side. Of course, right now we have been very recently, a little bit over 5 days ago, on this resistance side. So we should be technically going on this other side. So this is what is slowly happening. It is possible that we just continue a little bit higher. We have this smaller bullish channel within the bigger bullish channel. So there's a possibility that we bounce right here instead of bouncing a little bit later. It's possible that we bounce on this smaller bullish channel support and do another move down to 467, or maybe even down to the all-time high, which was at 484. So there's a definite possibility, and we are going to be here to see it as it happens. So check this, and the signal is going to be this. Once we break 452, it means that we are no longer into this congestion zone, and it means that we really want to go higher, and then this would be a nice entry. For 452.91 would be a nice entry to tell us that we are having a continuation, and this is where you can add on to the position that you have, or if you don't have a position, you can just enter Tesla stock, and that would be a great plan to do so. In terms of the technical indicators, everything is all good on the daily chart. On the 1 hour chart, where we can find some smaller moves that we can profit from, we had no moves today, no moves, and not even yesterday also. This is pretty flat. There is no stochastic over 60. There's no bullish reversal indicator, so nothing is showing us any move. We could be having a move if we start breaking 440.13 on the 1 hour chart. So that would be a small buy signal, provided that our technical indicators are going to reverse a little bit. So above 440.13, we could have a little bit of a move until 452. This is if you want to play intraday with Tesla. But aside from this, Tesla is not too bad. We have this bullish channel support right here, and we are bouncing on it. Boom. And today, did we bounce on it? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours we have bounced on it. So Tesla, this is providing us with higher lows, and we have this top right here, and you know what is happening once we have higher lows, and then we have a flat top, and we break that flat top. This is what I'm talking about. If we break 440.13, boom, we are going to have a little bit of a move. Like we had right here, we had higher lows. We had a bit of a top, a little bit lower than 452. Boom, we had a move. And it can come back down, but at least there's a move to be had. And when there's a move to be had, there's always profit that can be taken. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. VIX 1644. So yesterday we came outside of our bullish channel, the bullish trend. And we don't like when the VIX is trending up. We like when the VIX is at least going sideways and preferably going down. Today we are the second day where we are outside of this bullish channel. So we are in fact trending sideways. We love to see this. We are up a little bit, 0.15. So that's not much. Our ideal is to go lower than 1595, but we are going to take going sideways instead of going up any day. Let's take a look at the stock indices. Dow Jones is cooling down a little bit, almost touching the 21-day moving average. So that 21-day moving average is holding a lot of the times. This is holding quite well. So we could be having a bounce today. We could be having a bounce starting tomorrow to have a further move up. This is what we are hoping for. But we are starting to lose stochastic over 60. So we are really starting to see the weakness in Dow Jones. SPX, in terms of indicators on the daily chart, everything is very good. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. So, this is what we've talked about yesterday. The two horizontal resistance, 67.54 right there. We were trying. We were so close. It was looking good. We opened higher today. Boom. Got squished down. But we were not squished down as low as where we were on Tuesday. On Tuesday, we were at 6,700. Now we seem to be bouncing a little bit higher, 6,715. So this is better. This is a higher low. We are so far making a higher low. So this is boding well. If I adjust the brightness of the lines, this is exactly what we are having right now. So the bullish channel, because of the low that we are having today, because of this low right here, which was not in line with this line right here. So we are having a bit of a slower bullish channel. This is the new bullish channel that we are having, a little bit lower, but we are going to take it. So we could be really bouncing, and if we break that horizontal resistance right here at 67.54, we could be going up. We could be going up to 67.88. So that would be pretty good. Nasdaq, this one is not too bad. Nasdaq is still hugging the support line. Look at this, touching support line, touching really right smack on it. I like this candle right here. A longer wick at the bottom, very tight range, but we are on support. We love this. Russell, look at this. Really having a hard time staying above 24.82. We broke it yesterday. We caved in today, but look at the two candles. They are almost like twins. The same low, the same high. This is pretty funny to look at. We are on the verge right here. Dow Jones could be bouncing on the 21-day EMA. SPX on this, with this new of today, bouncing on support. It's too bad that the week is almost over because we could be having a little bit of a move up starting from tomorrow. Looking at the market overall, pretty much all black except Meta, Oracle, Nvidia, the rest. Amazon a little bit, but it was not the best day today. Gold is dropping, so big drop in gold. We are down almost 2%. Silver also a big drop, but we cut back up. So we have recovered. Look at this long wick right here. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, yeah, this is exactly what this means. We came down and we were pushed back up. So a lot of volatility with gold and silver. What's happening with Bitcoin? So Bitcoin is still moving down after breaking on Monday. This was great news. On Monday, we broke above 123, 195, and now we're cooling. Let's hope that at least we start bouncing on support right here at 118, 194, which would coincide also with the 21-day moving average. So it would be nice to have a bounce right here. This would give us a new bullish channel to start to follow for a move up to 130. If we get a little bit of a push here, we could be having a nice move in the coming weeks. Ethereum getting weaker and weaker after being rejected at 47.83 right here, cooling down. This one could be bouncing on 40.91. We'll see. BMNR did not have a great day today. We dropped down, but we are bouncing on this new bullish channel support that I just drew. If we use this new bullish channel support and draw a corresponding bullish channel resistance, we could be having a move up to $70, $72. So that would be a super nice move. Yeah, we can't force anything. The only thing that we can do is observe and then act when there are appropriate clues for us to get in. Don't forget my Trendline Masterclass coming this Sunday. We spend 2 hours drawing lines. I'm going to tell you everything that I know about drawing these wonderful lines which impact stock movement. Look at this. These lines are so very powerful and important. They are guiding us. They are helping us. If you want to learn how to do those lines, join us on Sunday for a masterclass. And if you cannot attend, you can still register and it will be recorded so that you can view it later. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.